first started flying these things, I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know what film settings to use. I did not know even how to film what I was looking for. I would just put the drone up like as high as it would go, film around, and I got a lot of crappy footage. But I've learned some things, and I just wanted to share them with you in this series, helping you find your best drone shot. And today we're going to be taking a look at video settings, and yeah, we're going to do that now. The first thing you'll want to do is go to camera settings. Under format, you'll want to choose MP4. Under color, choose the Decine-alike setting. Decine-alike will give you more opportunity in post to do more with your footage, color grading, and the use of LUTs. Under coding format, the H.265 will give you the best quality. The next thing you'll want to do is click Control and go to Advanced Gimbal Settings. These are the gimbal settings that I use. Gimbal settings are important because they control the speed and the smoothness of the gimbal, and I find that slowing the pitch speed down helps give you kind of more of a cinematic look. But play with that yourself and see what you like. I think flying drones is all about personal preference and just getting to kind of explore what the drone will do. So I encourage you to really just check out all the features and give it a try. You'll have a lot of fun. At least that's what I have. Next, you'll want to go into your video settings. Click that, and there you can choose whether or not you want to take photos. Under video, there's different types of video you can choose. You can choose normal, and in normal you can shoot in 4K, wide, 4K zoom, 2.7K, or 1080p. Then you also have the HDR mode, which we'll cover that in a whole nother video. It's a really cool format. And then slow-mo. So those are some of the video settings that you can use when flying the drone to help get you the best footage and help you find your best drone shot. In future videos, we'll cover some of the other video modes in a little bit more detail, like HDR mode. But until then, get out, go fly the drone, and have some fun.